What is going on, guys? This is Meso here, and today I'm going to be reacting to my first animal fails compilation. And man, I really want an animal in my house, but you know, my mom, she's not really an animal person, sadly. But I will get a pet for myself, though. An animal that I can only take care of. Alright, enough talking, let's get to this. Let's get to this.
White. Okay.
Hey, whoa. Greedy dog. A bobcat? No. That's pretty cool. A donkey or a baby horse? A baby horse.
Oh, a guy does like you.
Literally?
What?
It's humping you. You're hot.
Dang. Huh. I would like to get near a baby elephant. Baby elephant. Ham. Chapstick. Nom 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 nom. A gorilla. Wait. I missed it. It probably ate a bug. I'm also holding. Man, I want a cat. Baby sloths are so cute. I like it when dogs make that sound. Oh, that's nasty.
Snowy, are you mad because we're not going to bed?
Oh, he's playing soccer with a human. Hey. Aww. A little chihuahua pretending to swim, thinking that's swimming.
Really high. Sometimes people are very far forward, so you want to melt your heart between your arms. So you open.
They tried humping her. It's pretty cool.
This is the house I was talking about.
An animal.
Stop pushing the mail out.
A boxer. I used to have one. That scared me. It didn't. It's wearing a sucking on a pacifier.
You're so silly. Yes, you are. Are you gonna hold my hand down now? Huh? Hold my hand down? Come on.
Oh,
Come on.
man, I love boxers. It's gonna come back up.
Wait for it.
I knew it.
Come on. Come on. Come inside. Stop it.
Watch where you can't watch where you're going. No, no. Do not. Oh. What the hell? What the heck are you doing? The camera person snorted. Now it's gonna bite it. Break in half. Oh. Is that a was that a Dalmatian? No, I think, I don't know. Watch, the dog is gonna take it off the bait. Now, that was not funny. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I'll be back with another reaction. Meso out.